typical desired property, multifamily.
We're gonna
single.
talk about it, yeah, just let's talk about it. I just want to show you this house. It is from wholesaler. And it's duplex. Second floor, it's rented for $525, and all this belongs to the property too. And this garage is full of stuff. It has a shared driveway. I don't see problems with the roof. But I'm gonna talk to tenant, ask him what needs to be done. There is some stuff that need to be repaired. Other than this, and as you can hear freeway probably. And this is a house. That's how it looks. It has 2 units. It's sold as is. Some work needs to be done right here. And we're gonna try to go to the second floor. This is a second floor, or I see it's going upstairs
up into that unit, you can get in it straight ahead, and then to your left, you'll see it loops around. So there's like 2 entrances to that unit.
To the second floor.
And then there's a 3rd floor that takes you up to the attic also, which is not a unit, it's just an open attic space.
Okay. And can I go in?
You're
or
welcome.
she's
Yeah.
living? Oh.
Feel free to go through.
Okay, and this unit. It's really strange. Okay. And this is the kitchen. So we're gonna need to do something here. And this has 3rd floor. Ooh. And in the 3rd floor, you can clearly see that I have a roof leak, which need to be repaired. And it's one more room here. Okay.
Which other property did you see that you liked better?
I didn't go inside.
Was it Laconia?
No, Orchid. It's just different zip code.
Okay.
It's the same address,
Yeah.
different zip code. It's
Oh,
like 10
yeah,
minutes
that
away.
happened to the other
Yeah.
person that came over too, same thing. If you
Okay.
look up zip code here too on Google or Apple Maps, shows up 2 different zip
Yeah.
codes.
So this is one room, and we have kitchen from here, laundry room, pretty big laundry room, or it can be like different bedroom. And this is 1 bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, and it has 2nd bedroom right here. And we're gonna go to the basement. So this one is 2 bedroom with access to the backyard. Do I need flashlight there, or there is electricity?
Yeah, you could probably want flashlights a little lower. And that stairwell's a little bit loose at the bottom, so just be careful.
Okay.
Walking down.
Yep, I can see it. little bit loose. Okay.
Two water heaters, but I believe that it's all one water bill. It's just split water supply to two heaters is the way it looks to me. I couldn't find the second meter.
Because I was told that tenants are paying for... No, it's separated. You see, it's two. It's electrical. And this is gas. I'm not sure what's going on here. And this is water heater. This unit has AC, right?
Sorry about that. I was just
It does has AC unit.
I don't know for sure on that.
I mean, I'm looking at a duct work.
Central heat and window AC is how it's been set up.
Central heat and windows AC. Okay. Okay. Not bad. So, let me know if you like it or not.